Hello and welcome to Commercial Roofs of Texas. We're showcasing a recently completed Expandothane seamless fluid applied roof system on the Frisco Western Art Museum in downtown San Antonio on the Riverwalk. This project provided many challenges, from the equipment on the roof to the limited access from the ground. The Frisco Western Art Museum was looking for a resilient, long-lasting solution to their roof system without having to give up the ability to have events during the process. The museum is dependent upon these events to help generate funding to make the incredible art and antiques available to the public year-round. Expandothane is a hybrid polyurea that expands 5 to 7 times its sprayed volume to completely fill any existing gaps or crevices in the existing roof system, creating a completely seamless-free roof membrane over 240 mils thick. The critical aspects of applying Expandothane are fairly simple. The existing roof system needs to be inspected and confirmed a good candidate for a fluid applied roof membrane. Not all roofs can be saved. The existing roof system needs to be thoroughly cleaned prior to application. Loose debris, dirt, oils, and other loose items need to be removed. Once the existing roof system has been cleaned and inspected, the next step is preparing the rooftop equipment and exposure of off-roof personnel and equipment. As application begins, the Expandothane is sprayed. The two-part polyurea is combined at the nozzle and bonds to the existing roof system. As the Expandothane reacts, it expands approximately 5 to 7 times its sprayed volume, creating an absolutely seamless membrane. The surface flashes off and it's walkable in just over 2 to 3 minutes and completely waterproof. This allows multiple passes over problem areas to build it up and guarantee a leak-free roof system. Once the Expandothane is cured, the UV protectant can be applied. In the case of the Frisco Western Museum, a high solid light gray silicone was applied to protect the Expandothane from UV degradation. The total roof system is approximately 260 mils thick and has an elasticity of 400%, allowing it to move with the expansion and contraction of the building, providing a long-lasting, seamless roof system. Expandothane offers a long-lasting seal, adds increased structural integrity to roofs and foundation walls, and has been tested up to a maximum impact capability of the Gardner impact test, exceeding the Class 4 impact resistant roof requirements. And in the San Antonio market, or anywhere in Texas for that fact, hail impact resistance is a huge plus. All in all, a fluid applied roof membrane eliminates the weakest point in any roof system, the seam. Give us a call today and let one of our roof savers come out and look at your roof and see if it's a good candidate for an Expandothane fluid applied seamless roof membrane.